In this video, we are going to see how we can define the unit of measure for each item. As you can see here that if we scroll down a little bit, what we can see is the unit of measure for each item. Now I have already created the items, but I didn't enter the unit of measure. So let's now edit it and put the unit of measure in each inventory. You can go to inventory items and click on view inventory or edit inventory items. Just click on any particular item that you want to edit. And under here in the stocking unit of measure, we will define one. So here, since cloth is in meter, I'll just write meter here, click save, and it's saved now. Next is cloth B, which is in meter, double click, meter, save. Next one is bukram, that's also in meter, save, close out of here. Next one is thread, which is in cone. So let's write cone here, save. And zips, button shirts and button pants is all in pieces, or you can say each is the unit of measure. So just double click here, write each, save and close. Next one is button shirts, again each. As you can see here, when we save some of these, now we have the drop down with all of these options because that's saved in the backend. And next one is again each. So all the unit of measure are now defined. If you want to see the unit of measure on the front of this list, what we can do is just right click and click on column settings. And here we can just find the unit of measure here. Here it says stocking unit of measure, just add it to the list and you can position it anywhere you want. Let's say I don't want the price level 1 because I haven't defined it. So I don't need it because right now it's 0. So let's remove this and let's position it to the 4th number. Click OK. And now we can see the stocking unit of measure for each inventory item. So just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.